Welcome to Southern RC and Surrey Mason Assembly. Hope you enjoy.
Welcome to What's in the Box?
We've got 4 boxes, 4 big question marks, and what are in them?
We need 4 contestants to come on stage and put their hands in the box. You can pull it out if you want, but you don't have to.
Put your hands up if you're willing to play.
What is your name?
T-Bone.
What is your name? Ruben?
What's your name?
Anastasia.
Okay, put your hand through the box in 3, 2, 1, go! Do you feel like you can pull it out? Or you've been accepted to Harvard, very nice.
Keep looking. Is that what we can do? Yay! Give it to me. Just share it along with other people.
Can we get a round of applause for our contestants? The important thing of this wasn't just to pull out baked beans, spaghetti, or invitation to Harvard. It was to show how important it is to be curious and brave.
Thank you for watching What's Inside the Box.
Just remember, the important thing is to never stop questioning. Never lose a holy curiosity.
I have not failed. I've just found 1,000 ways that do not work. Curiosity is an important trait of a genius. I don't think you can find an intellectual giant who is not a curious person. Myself, Thomas Edison, Leonardo da Vinci, Albert Einstein, Marie Curie, they are all curious characters. Amelia Earhart was especially known for her adventures, which came from her curiosity.
But why is curiosity so important? Here are 4 reasons why.
It makes your mind active instead of passive.
Curious people always ask questions and search for answers in their minds. Their minds are always active. Since the mind is like a muscle which becomes stronger through continual exercise, the mental exercise caused by curiosity makes your mind stronger and stronger. It makes your mind observant of new ideas. When you are curious about something, your mind expects and anticipates new ideas related to it. When the ideas come, they will soon be recognized. Without curiosity, the ideas may pass right in front of you, and yet you miss them because your mind is not prepared to recognize them. Just think how many great ideas may have been lost due to lack of curiosity. To create new worlds and possibilities. By being curious, you will be able to see new worlds and possibilities which are normally not visible.
They are hiding behind the surface of normal life, and it takes a curious mind to look beneath the surface
And discover this new world and possibility.
It brings excitement into your life.
The life of curious people is far from boring. It's neither dull nor routine. There are always new things that attract their attention. There are always new toys to play with. Instead of being bored, curious people have an adventurous life. Now knowing the importance of curiosity, here are some tips to develop it.
Keep an open mind.
This is essential if you are to have a curious mind. Be open to learn, unlearn, and be. Some things you know and believe might be wrong, and you should be prepared to accept this possibility and change your mind.
Don't take things as granted.
If you just accept the world as it is,
If you just accept the world as it is without trying to dig deeper, you will certainly lose that holy curiosity. Never take things as granted, and always try to dig deeper beneath the surface of what is around you.
Ask questions we learn.
A sure way to dig deeper beneath the surface is asking questions. When was it made? How was it made? And what does it do? What, when, who, why, and how are the best friends of curious people.
Don't label something as boring.
Whenever you label something as boring, you close one more door of possibilities. Curious people are likely to call something as boring.
Instead, they always see it as a door to an exciting new world. Even if they don't get enough time to explore it, they'll leave the door open to be visited another time.
See learning as something fun.
If you see learning as a burden, there's no way you would want to dig deeper. That will just make the burden heavier. But if you think of learning as something fun, you will actually want to dig deeper.
So look at life through the glasses of fun and excitement and enjoy the learning process.
Read diverse kind of reading. Don't spend too much time on just one word. Take a look at another word.
It will introduce you to the possibilities and excitement of the other worlds, which may spark your interest to explore them further. One easy way to do this is through reading diverse kinds of reading. Try to pick a book or magazine on a new subject and let it feed your mind with the excitements of a new world.
Thank you for watching our assembly.